Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Aeroplane departure. What happened? On 12th June 2025, an Air India flight, AI-171, took off from Ahmedabad. It was going to London. Just 30 seconds after takeoff, the plane had a big problem. The pilot said, "Mayday, an emergency signal." Then the plane crashed near Meghani Nagar, a place with homes and a student hostel. The plane caught fire and burned. Busts in silhouette. How many people were in the plane? There were 242 people on the plane. 230 passengers and 12 crew members. 241 people died in the crash. Only one person survived. At least 5 to 8 people on the ground also died. Broken heart. The one survivor. His name is Vishwash Kumar Ramesh. He is from the UK and was sitting at a window seat 11A. He opened the emergency door and escaped. He was hurt, but alive. He said, "I saw people dying in front of me." Fire engine rescue and help. Firefighters and ambulances came quickly. Over 300 emergency workers were there. The area was closed to the public. The black box, plane recorder, was found for investigation. Experts from India, UK, and USA are checking what went wrong. The people who died. Many passengers were from India, the UK, and Portugal. Some were families, some were students, and some were tourists. A family from Rajasthan took a selfie before the flight. It went viral after the crash. Many bodies were burnt and hard to identify. Detective. Now what? The crash is still being investigated. The Indian government is checking all Boeing 787 planes. They want to know if there was a technical fault or human mistake. The final report may take weeks or months.